everyone, welcome to my channel.
Hello friends, my name is Ali and I'm a student here. Today we came here to talk about the air pollution in city which is caused by the forest fires which happened in the Siberian forest.
As my friend has alluded to, in summer mostly this is the only problem that we have because of the wildfires. There is smoke everywhere and there's too much of, I would say, smoke. It's kind of, it becomes dim such that it is hard to see, just like in winter, because in winter it is very cold, there is fog, you hardly see people like 1 meter away. Because of the smoke, we can hardly see the sun, and you can see, let me try to zoom. So this is how the sun is looking during this time of the smoke. It seems like this year the wildfire, it's so big such that even the New York Times published the fire in their newspaper. You can see here it's talking about our region, Yakutia. It's not only New York Times, even in Nigeria and other countries they are talking about what is taking place this year. Most of you are wondering how the wildfires are caused. Mainly wildfire is caused by lightning, because in the forest the trees are green and they are attracted, or the lightning is attracted by these trees and they strike the trees, and that's how the wildfire starts. And another reason for the wildfire is in summer a lot of people go to the nature to rest, to spend some nights there, and when they are coming back they forget to extinguish the fire completely. And this is also one of the reasons why we've got wildfires in Siberia, not only in Siberia, even in other countries. We are going to show you some different places in the city, how it is looking. It's kind of dark, but it's during the day, because of the smoke.
And in this smoke it's necessary to wear a mask, but as we are careless so we are walking like that. But it's necessary to wear a mask because it's very risky to walk in such kind of atmosphere.
Before we go any further, I would like to talk about the air quality index. As you can see on this screenshot, it is showing that the normal air quality index should be 50. This is like, international. And let's check what is obtaining on the ground in Yakutsk. You can see it is showing over 400, but other sources are saying that it is over maybe 600, 800, and this results in making Yakutsk with the most polluted air in the world this year. Some of you could think that we've got fog, or this is fog. Unfortunately, it is smoke which is coming from the fire, or the wildfire, and the tower is not clearly visible. The smoke is just everywhere. You can see, you cannot even clearly see. Maybe if you are 10 meters away, So it is summer vlogs, and we are showing you what the causes, or we are showing you the effects of the wildfires in Siberia. Just maintain your lane, you guys, from there. So during this time, people, they prefer to stay indoors because outside it's polluted, the air is polluted, they can't breathe properly. So this is the only challenge that we have in summer. In winter, we've got fog. In summer, we've got smoke from far places because of the fire. And they are advising us to wear masks so that we can breathe in the cleaned air. Though it's hard. Far. You can see how dark it is. It's kind of dim. You can't see. You can see, but you can't see properly. So this is how our beautiful city is looking because of the wildfire. We are going to the town center and we just want to make some shots to show you how things are looking around. How are you feeling, Ali? Susu?
I can't breathe, man.
Come on.
Yeah.
If you can't breathe, you would have died a long time ago.
Take me home, man.
Okay, we'll take you home very soon. So it's summer vlogs, guys. Yeah.
Foggy vlogs.
Yeah. Foggy vlogs. As I said in my preamble, people are wearing all sorts of masks, self-made, manufactured in the company, and we are finally in the center. You can see people are swinging. So how do you call this thing in English?
Huh?
You can see here, everyone is almost in the mask. Here, people are cheating, and there's a fountain. What is this? It looks like one fountain. Yeah. So apart from the smoke, there are other things that you can enjoy here. And people there, it's always like that in summer. The only difference between summer and winter here is in winter it's cold and in summer it's hot. But we've got one thing in common, it's dark. In summer there is smoke everywhere. You can see it's just like this. Even that building there, in winter you can't see the buildings because of the fog. So this is our pedestrian crossing, and people are crossing, but afar there it's hard to see.
Everything you know is in your mind.
What do you like about summer?
About summer,
Yeah,
you can wear light clothes, man. First thing.
of course, it's logic.
Yeah, it's logic. Yeah. We like it about the summer. And second thing, the greenery.
And you?
I like swimming in linear.
Do you even know how to swim yourself?
Yeah, of course.
Crocodile bath?
Yeah.
Okay. So those are some of the activities that we do in summer. We just go for swimming, riding bicycles, playing football, and what else?
I have other hobbies to do in summer, but I can't tell them.
Oh, it's private. Okay. I would like to know them. You tell me behind the scenes.
Okay. Now we have walked a lot in the fog. We can't breathe, and now these guys want to eat now. What is this?
I think it's called hot dog.
Gariachi sabaka.
Kariachi sabaka in Russian.
Hot dog. Okay.
Now we are going to the last and final place called.
203 microrayon.
Yeah. See you there.
Yeah.
Let's show them, guys. See how smoky it is just everywhere. So this is the other side of the VST 3 microrayon, and you can see from a distance that the buildings are hardly visible, all because of smoke.
Are you all my personal dreams?
I think you've noticed that most of the videos or today's video are not clear. It's because of the smoke. So I'm showing you the 4D of how things. This is the international student, and this one is local. He's from Churapcha. Okay guys, we told you that we are filming the last part and we've come to the end of this video. Guys, what do you have to say about this situation?
Yeah, the situation is bad, the weather is bad, it's harmful for the life. We hope soon the fires will go off and our city will be beautiful again like before. The clear skies and sunny days.
The international student,
Soon it will be rain and we will see a clear weather here. Soon the winters are coming, so we want to enjoy the last days of summer without smoke.
yeah, so that's it. For now, it's one of the most polluted cities in the world, but after maybe 5 or 3 days, everything will get back to normal. So thank you for having been with us. Thank you for watching, for your support, and see you in the next video. Peace out. I just want to pay my respect, my homage to the volunteers, stakeholders, the Russian government who are trying to extinguish the fire. So these are some of the pictures of those people who are fighting these wildfires day in, day out, 24/7, non-stop.